How to fix scanner not working in Windows. So let's get started. First of all, remove and re-add your scanner. Press the Windows key plus I to open the Settings app and head to Bluetooth and Devices. Then there tap on the printers and scanners. Now select a scanner from the list. Then click the Remove button at the top. Then head back to the Printers and Scanners menu and click Add Device and follow the on-screen prompts to set up your scanner again. Then configure the scanner services. Windows requires certain services to run in the background for the scanner to function properly. If one scanner related service fails, then press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog. Type services.msc in the box and press Enter. Scroll down to locate the Windows Image Acquisition service and double-click it to open its properties. Now use the drop-down menu next to Startup Type to select Automatic, then hit Apply, followed by OK. You will need to repeat the above steps to configure the remote procedure called DCOM Service Process Launcher, RPC Endpoint Mapper, and Shell Hardware Detection Service. After that, restart your PC and try using your scanner again. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.